Welcome to AssistEdge RPA How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to create and add data to a data table. Data tables assist users to store and manipulate the tabular data represented in rows and columns. Data tables act as a database or a simple spreadsheet holding temporary data in memory. AssistEdge provides the following capabilities to work with data tables. Create and add data to a data table. Import Excel data into a data table. Extract data of a data table. Perform operations over a data table and export the data table. In this video, we will understand the first capability of creating and adding data into the data table. In this example, we have a web application which iteratively fetches top 5 mobile names and their prices from the Amazon e-commerce website. To ensure this data can be used later in the automation process, we will create a data table to store the extracted values in mobile name and mobile price columns. Open the mobile table process. In the Tools section, click Data Table to expand the section. Drag and drop the Create Data Table activity before the activity that will populate the data table. In this case, let's drop the Create Data Table activity before the Amazon Web Application activity. Provide a user-friendly name to the data table. In this case, provide name as Mobile Details. Click Settings and click Add to define the columns in the data table. Provide column name as Mobile Name and data type for this column as text. Add another column as Mobile Price and data type as numeric. Click Confirm to save the column definition. This adds a data table inside the process. For adding data inside the data table, search for Add Row activity in the Tools section. Drag and drop the Add Row activity where you want to populate data table. In this case, place it inside the while loop. Select the data table name from the drop-down and then click the Settings gear. Columns defined in the selected data table list in the Add Row Mapping window. Provide the row mapping with the arguments storing the extracted value of mobile name and mobile price respectively. Click Confirm. To verify if the extracted data gets added in the data table, go to the flowchart. Search for Count Row Column activity and drop it after the Amazon Web Application activity, which is the place where the data table has been populated. Create the arguments for storing the row count and column count. Select their data type as int32. In the Count Row Column activity, select the data table name along with the row count and column count from the drop-down. To view the number of added rows, drag and drop the Write Line activity after the Count Row Column activity. Write the row count by converting it to string. Test run the process and verify the results. We can note that the data table is storing the 5 rows. That's all from this how-to video. In the subsequent videos, we will understand the other capabilities of data tables. Thank you.